SV303 Noise Monitoring Terminal, the next step in environmental monitoring. Fulfilling the market need is our latest innovation, SV303, an urban noise monitor ideal for smart cities, which addresses the need for accurate, large-scale noise assessment in urban environments, ensuring that cities can effectively manage and mitigate noise pollution. It provides a cost-effective setup for integration with other elements such as dust monitors, cameras, and vibration sensors while maintaining Class 1 functionality. By integrating SV303 with the vibration monitoring station SV803, you gain the similar functionalities as with the SV258 Pro station. Factors like environmental robustness, power consumption, and data exchange provide competitive advantages when selecting noise monitoring terminals for multipoint noise monitoring in smart cities. This terminal complies with Class 1 standards according to IEC 61672 and offering an operating range of 30 dBA to 130 decibels RMS. Perfectly suited to capture the diverse soundscape of urban settings, from the quiet of night to the bustling activity of the day.